Modern calculus, the most important branch of the current mathematics education with applications in science, engineering, and economics. Originally developed in the 17th century, calculus deals with the finding and properties of derivatives and integrals. In spite of it being the most used method of calculating and reasoning, the invention of calculus remains a controversial mystery. Historical evidence concludes that modern calculus seems to have its origins in either Sir Isaac Newton's or Wilhelm Gottfried Leibniz's hands. Sir Isaac Newton and Wilhelm Gottfried Leibniz both lived through the 17th century, with Sir Isaac Newton being an English mathematician, astronomer, and physicist, and Wilhelm Gottfried Leibniz being a German mathematician and philosopher. Sir Isaac Newton is widely recognized for his gravitational theory and three laws of motion, with rival Wilhelm Gottfried Leibniz renowned for his creation of the binary system and his use of the metaphysical theory of dynamism. Sir Isaac Newton's story of inventing modern calculus begins at him attending the Cambridge University, where historical evidence suggests that he invented calculus to solve physics problems. His invention of a new method of calculating mainly used geometric figures and limits as the main base of evidence and was considered as the method of fluxions, which relates to the derivative of a continuous function. Contemporary Sir Isaac Newton, German mathematician, and philosopher, Wilhelm Gottfried Leibniz began his involvement in the mathematical world at age 28 while in France. He managed to use reasoning and calculated the area under the graph, which in modern times accounts for a major portion of calculus. He also invented a new system of notation which includes modern commonly used calculus symbols like as integration and as differentials. I believe that modern calculus is invented by German mathematician and philosopher Wilhelm Gottfried Leibniz. I conclude my thesis since Wilhelm Gottfried Leibniz's invention of the new system of notation which includes as integration and as differentials plays a more major part of calculus compared to Sir Isaac Newton's use of geometrical figures and limits. Additionally, even after inventing calculus while in Cambridge University in 1666, Sir Isaac Newton didn't publish his findings until 1687. After inventing calculus, Wilhelm Gottfried Leibniz immediately published his findings of differentials in 1684 and also published his explanation about integration in 1686, both before Sir Isaac Newton published his work in the Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica. This publication event illustrates that how Wilhelm Gottfried Leibniz's findings were original and were not stolen from any other mathematician.